My name is Chongor, and in my video I would like to present you our app what we created for the AT&T Connectability Challenge with my teammate Christian. When I first time saw Jason Da Silva's video where he mentioned that he wants an app which helps him to navigate and find out all the accessible places around him, I thought that this is not impossible to do, so I accepted his challenge. Our app is called WheelNav. As its name describes, it combines information about wheelchair accessible places and navigation. Now let's see the app in action. First time opening the app, the walkthrough screen is prompted to the user, displaying all the information about the app. Let's skip this step right now. As Jason said, it's a very big problem that some places are not accessible for people using wheelchairs. The entrance step is too high, there are no disabled toilets available, etc. Instead of implementing a service which attaches this kind of information to places, we decided to use an open source service called wheelmap.org. It's a service which is used to search, find and mark wheelchair accessible places all around the globe. So we grabbed this information and displayed it on the map. We are differentiating 4 types of places, each displayed with different colors. With green, you can see all the places which are completely accessible with wheelchair. These places don't have any entrance steps. With orange, you can see places which are partially accessible, which means that the height of the entrance step is smaller than 7 cm. Places marked with red are not accessible at all. The height of the entrance step is higher than 7 cm. The gray ones are not edited, they don't have wheelchair accessible info. The app offers the possibility to hide and show places based on their accessibility. So if you want to see only the POIs which are fully accessible, please deselect the other ones. It is also possible to hide POIs from different categories. So let's deselect, for example, the public transfer. And let's add them back. As you can see, the places from these categories are not displayed anymore. Instead of browsing on the map for POIs, you can search for them. Let's enter library in the search field and the results will come. Great. The user of the app can review further information about these places and has the possibility to change the accessibility of the place if it considers that the current accessibility attached to the place is wrong. So let's select one of the places marked with gray and change its accessibility. As you can see, the color of the POI has changed, and for all the other users of the app, this change will appear on their map. This feature helps to improve the quality of the data, improve the accessibility information of places. Taking in consideration the accessibility of the places, it's possible to plan your whole journey from home, to meet with friends only at accessible places, to visit other cities knowing which places are accessible. The other big component of the app is the navigation component. We try to customize the whole navigation experience for people using wheelchairs. WheelNav offers the possibility to create routes from the current position of the user to any other position on the map. The routes are calculated taking in consideration the altitudes of the positions along the route, so it provides the fastest and smoothest routes to the user's destination. Let's make a route to a POI then. As you can see, 3 possible routes are displayed. It's on the user to choose one of them. Entering in navigation, The user gets visual and audio turn-by-turn information. As Jason said, without using his hands, he wants to get from point A to point B. Following the instructions of the audio guidance component, this can be easily achieved. WheelNav also offers a solution to another common problem when some areas of the city, parts of the streets are blocked. In this case, it's very hard to know on which street to go forward. Using the block road feature of the app, the engine will reroute the user to help him to get to the desired place. Let's see this in action.
Now turn slide right onto Broadway, then immediately turn left.
So what you see that the block street is marked with red in front of the user, and the engine reroutes and finds another way to the destination. Let's see it again.
Now turn slide left onto City Hall Park Greenway, then immediately turn right onto Center Street.
There are a lot of other small functionalities which were not presented because of the time limit, but I hope that you will try the app and experiment with it. In the near future, the app will appear on the App Store, so we hope that it will help the life of a lot of people. Thank you again. Bye.